We're getting closer and closer to what could be a historic execution. Kenneth Smith has been on death row for decades for killing a woman in a murder-for-hire issue. He is set to die Thursday by nitrogen hypoxia. Simply put, it means he'll be deprived of oxygen. This is making headlines all over the world. First, the United Nations condemns it, sending out memos not once, but twice. And now a Catholic charity affiliated with the Vatican is urging the state of Alabama to call it off. The Rome-based Santiago community calls the method, quote, uncivilized. They were not finished. They had a statement that went on to say it would bring, quote, indelible shame to the state of Alabama. A petition by the charity has been signed by more than 15,000 people.
On Friday, the state attorney general's office said the execution method is, quote, the most painless and humane method of execution known to man. That was in a federal appeals court. Right now, we're still waiting on judges to make a ruling. It could end up at the Supreme Court before all is said and done.
All right, so Kenneth Smith's attorneys, they have been on the front lines trying to get this execution stopped. So we reached out to other death penalty attorneys. Want to check in now? WVTM 13's Lisa Crane. She is live and local for us tonight. Lisa, this is a controversial topic, to say the least.
Yeah, it's definitely a topic that generates some very strong opinions on each side. Now, defense attorneys here in Alabama are watching this case closely because it could have an immediate impact on some of their cases. And we caught up with one of those attorneys today.
We are using an untested experimental method of execution to kill a human being. And I can't think of anything as dehumanizing as saying we're going to use you as a human guinea pig, a human lab rat to kill you.
Birmingham defense attorney John Lentine has worked on dozens of death penalty cases. He says what will most likely happen to Kenneth Smith on Thursday is a travesty and possibly a violation of the 8th Amendment to the Constitution that protects citizens from cruel and unusual punishment.
There's no physicians involved in this. There's no medical staff involved in this. We don't know if the person's even going to be sedated before he is basically asphyxiated. And so we all understand what's going to happen to him. When the nitrogen goes in and the person breathes out, the oxygen leaves the body. And he is going to basically be suffocated.
Lentine says we just don't know enough about what will happen, and the state has not been forthcoming with details on the process. According to the American Veterinary Medical Association guidelines, nitrogen hypoxia is not an acceptable euthanasia method for most mammals.
So what does that tell you? We won't use this method to kill a mouse, but we'll try it out on a human being? What does that say about us, about our humanity?
Now, Lentine says if the state wants to be transparent about this process, they will videotape this execution. He says that is the only way for the public to be able to judge for themselves if this is a cruel form of punishment. Live in Birmingham, Lisa Crane, WVTM 13.